I want to exchange it for another one. I want to exchange it for another one. What are you doing? What are you doing? I will treat you. I will treat you. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? My house is big. My house is big. I'm bored. I'm bored. Would you like me to help you? Would you like me to help you? I will see to it. I will see to it. We have an appointment with him at 5. We have an appointment with him at 5. What do you plan to do this Sunday? What do you plan to do this Sunday? I have a good idea. I have a good idea. Let's go to the gym. Let's go to the gym. Aren't you thirsty? Aren't you thirsty? Come with me. Come with me. You have a younger brother, don't you? You have a younger brother, don't you? Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Did you have a good time yesterday? Did you have a good time yesterday? What time is it? What time is it? If only I could fly. If only I could fly. Please lend me your car. Please lend me your car. Does this hurt? Does this hurt? How did you sleep? How did you sleep? I am hoping to visit Grandpa. I am hoping to visit Grandpa. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Prices have jumped. Prices have jumped. What is the name of that river? What is the name of that river? I think so. I think so. You look happy today. You look happy today. I'm easygoing. I'm easygoing.